Hello everyone, I'm Nima and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to make homemade yogurt. If you've ever wondered how yogurt is made or you don't know how to make it at home, keep watching this video. There are only two ingredients for making yogurt, milk and yogurt bacteria. What is yogurt bacteria? It's simply yogurt, it's pale yogurt. Any yogurt that says contains live and active cultures on the label of it. Now these bacteria are not bad for you, they're actually good for you. And these bacteria are responsible for making milk into yogurt. It's hard to believe, but yogurt has 100 million bacteria in each gram of it. Alright, now how is yogurt made? So yogurt is made in a process called bacterial fermentation. There is lactose in milk, which is basically milk sugar, and when we add bacteria to it, the bacteria starts to eat the lactose, the milk sugar, and it produces lactic acid. Lactic acid would compact all the proteins in the milk. It kinda tightens up all the proteins in the milk. Okay, now that you have an idea how to make yogurt, let's get in the kitchen and make it. Here I have my yogurt bacteria, and I'm basically using a little bit of the previous batch that I made. And if you don't have this, you can basically use any Greek yogurt in the store. And the gallon of milk, and remember, you have to use whole milk in order to have a thick yogurt, a pot, and a wooden spoon. Alright, you have to put your pot on the stove and then pour the milk in the pot. Okay, turn on the heat on medium high, and then you have to stir this frequently, because if you don't, the milk would burn and then your yogurt would have a smoky taste, which is not good at all. Okay, when this started to boil, you have to turn off the heat and remove the pan from the heat. Okay, this started to boil, so I turn off the heat and remove it from the heat source. Okay, it's been 45 to 50 minutes since this was sitting here, and this is ready. So how do I know it's ready? So when you stick your finger in the milk, you feel it's very hot, but it won't burn you. And that is the sign that shows this is ready. And this is our yogurt bacteria here. You want to whisk it until it's like very smooth. You can see the yogurt is fairly smooth. Okay, for each gallon of milk, you will need 1 cup of yogurt bacteria. We would add a little bit of milk to our yogurt bacteria for 2 reasons. 1, to thin it out, and 2, for tempering it. Okay. Now you have to add this, and you have to stir the milk. Okay, now that we have added our yogurt bacteria into the milk, we have to pour this in another container. And then I would put a paper towel on top of this because the water may evaporate and then I don't want my yogurt to be runny. So just like this. Alright, you have to let this sit in room temperature for at least 5 hours. And then after 5 hours, put it in the fridge overnight. So tomorrow I will show you the yogurt that I have. Okay, it's been 24 hours now since this was in the fridge. Now let's check what we got. You see, this paper towel have absorbed all the moisture from the yogurt.